Best Choice Products 3-piece ceramic bakeware set that was actually sent to me to try out. And it comes with a nice casserole dish that is 13 by 9. Now this one is, I would say, a little bit heavy just because it's made out of ceramic. So by the time you add food into it, it does make it a bit heavier. Then you get a square dish that is 8 by 8 for baking, and then you get a little loaf pan that is 8 by 4. This bakingware set has a non-toxic ceramic coating, which makes cleanup so much easier. Food does not stick to it, which is really great. You can make desserts, you can make breads. Now, even though this is a ceramic set and has that non-stick ceramic coating on it, it can still go into the oven for up to about 450 degrees, which just allows you to have like a wide variety of different types of meals that you can go ahead and bake. This is also dishwasher and microwavable safe, which just makes cleanup and reheating so much better. And with how these are made, you can easily take this, put it in the oven, cook your dish, and because of how nice it does look, it can serve as a serving dish one time. So it's an easy transition from your oven to your table. Because it is ceramic, it is, I would say, slightly heavy, so just keep note of that, because by the time you add food into here, at least the bigger one is going to get heavy. But because it is stackable, all of the pieces actually fit into the larger one, which makes storage so much easier. Look how easy it just stacks. It does not come with a lid, so just know that it is just the pans for this bakeware set.